Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this time we have some colors. So the wig that I'm showing you is from Dorsanee Hair. I'm just showing you everything that comes in the package. This time I have a number 4 colored 5x5 deep wave lace front wig. This wig is 28 inches long. This wig also comes in a 13x4, and then of course you can also choose the density. This wig is 180% density, and then you can also choose 250, but I think the density that I have is perfect. It's not too thick, it's not thin, it's like the perfect. The only thing that kind of threw me off is this wig does have transparent lace, and I just haven't had lace this light, I don't think, in a hot minute. So you're gonna see what I do with that down the road of the video, but it kind of scared me. But we get it together, and you can get it together too. So all I'm doing here is cutting the lace off of the wig, and then we're gonna try it on, make sure it fits, make sure we like how it looks, and then start the install process. So here's what we're looking like on. We're making sure the wig fits. We're seeing how the lace looks and all of that. I am going to go in with some powder foundation that matches my skin to kind of tint the lace a little bit. And as you can see, it made a totally different difference. um, it's work with the bowl. Is that a word? Where it's work with the bowl. We don't use glue over here, but we do use got to be hairspray, so that works for me. I'm not a long-term wig wearer anyway, so all I need is like a light hold, and any kind of holding spray does the job. I'm just using got to be because that's what I have. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go in with the wig band, and I'm gonna let this melt into the skin so it stays in place with my blow dryer. We're going to blow dry this until it's dry. Let it sit probably like 5 minutes, and then proceed. And this is what that looks like. Super happy with it. I like the way it's holding pop, hold me down. The wig is definitely in place. It's not going to go anywhere. But if you do wet this, the it's gonna lift off. Don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna go in with some concealer to kind of outline the part, since I don't have a braid down underneath or a light colored stocking cap that you can see. It kind of doesn't have like a defined part, so I just like to lighten that up a little bit. And I am also going in with my hot comb and just kind of straightening those roots a little bit so the wig could be nice and flat. I did already wash and let my wig air dry, so this is a nice freshly washed wig. I love the curl pattern after it's been washed. It's like really nice and subtle. This is deep wave, so it definitely gives that, and it's just a really pretty texture. And to further flatten my unit, I just went in with some setting foam, and I'm just raking that through only on the top portion because that's all we're focusing on right now. But after I do that, I am going to go back in with my hot comb on the back side to just further flatten out the top of the wig, because there are some places that are sewn incorrectly, like in the back, so kind of like the hair is kind of folded over, so it just needs a little heat to make it flat, and that's all I'm doing. And I'm so zoomed in, so I'm backing up so you can get a glimpse of the length. This wig is 28 inches on me. This is where it falls. Love the length, love the density, and love the color too. I was kind of scared about trying this color, but after the tweaking that we did, I think this color looks so good up against my skin tone. I wouldn't even mind it with a dark root, but that's another day, another topic, another day. I am gonna go in and do a little bit of layering in the front, not too much because y'all know me and cutting, we really don't get along that well. So I just want to do a little something something so it's just not all one length. Curls need layers. Well, all hair really needs layers, but curls especially needs a little bit of layering so it can have some cute movements and just not be so like one length Rapunzel type. But whatever. And I wasn't gonna do any edges, but I'm a teeny bit because I don't want it to look crazy because my hair is dark and the wig is brown. So I'm just taking like literally a few strands of the wig's hair to make teeny faint edges. And I love the way it looks. I think this looks so good. I was so nervous and it looks damn good. So love this for us. This wig is from Dorsanee Hair. I'll be sure to list all of their information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link for the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.